Welcome to Turkey Thumpers. In this webisode, we're back in Mississippi in our bread and butter spot. And we just gotten back from Texas, and I'm hunting by myself on this trip, on this hunt. So I'm sitting there hunting myself in this blind. Now, the bad weather, including the wind, had followed us back from Texas. And I was hoping the bad luck that we'd had in Texas and Georgia wasn't following us to Mississippi neither. So anyway, we got back, we checked the trail camera photos, and we checked our plot watcher video. Sure enough, we had another mature gobbler coming into this food plot most every day before 5 o'clock. So I got excited about that. So I got in the blind and I set my decoys back out like we have done all year, and the wind was blowing pretty good, as you can see in the video. So I pulled out my dad's Dick Kirby custom call, which is a long paddle box call, and boy, I just started hammering on that box call. Sure enough, a few minutes later, it had a gobbler and a jake come in there, and as you can see in the video, the gobbler put on a pretty good show with the decoys, and I was fortunate enough to kill him. And I was glad he came in because we'd just been having a really tough 2 weeks from Georgia to Texas. No birds. Birds wouldn't even communicate, so I was really glad that they came in. So thanks for watching Turkey Thumpers, and enjoy this video. You can see in the video, we just shot this nice 2-year-old bird. Came in here and whooped up on Barack. I tell you, man, poor Barack taking a beating. Anyway, nice 2-year-old bird. Not Godzilla, it's the one we're looking for. But he's a nice 2-year-old bird. Once the way my season's been going this year, I'll take anyone we can get. We just got back from Texas. Didn't have that great of a hunt. And so I just shot this bird at 4:13. We're fixing to get the camera and get back in the tent. We're fixing to keep looking for Godzilla. So hope you enjoyed this Turkey Thumper episode. Boy, these decoys work good on these easterns. Good old Mississippi eastern. So thanks for watching Turkey Thumpers.